Hi everyone, today I'm going to make a delicious gluten-free, wheat-free pizza, low carb. This would be great if you're on keto. And we're going to start with the ingredients. I'm going to be using some organic, shredded, low moisture, part skim mozzarella cheese. I have some olives that have been sliced. Here is some delicious medium hot green chili. I have some chopped up steak, and I have some, here's the sauce. This is basically tomato sauce with honey, and we have some fresh whole tomatoes in there. And you can use whatever spices you like for your sauce. So now this pan right here, this is the red copper pan, and this is excellent to make a recipe like this because the cheese will not stick, it'll brown nicely, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So let's start with the cheese. I'm going to pour some in here. This is going to be our crust. I guess that should be enough. Okay, and we'll just let that cook. I have it on kind of like a medium-high heat. I have it on 3. This is an electric stove. So we'll just wait on that. And we're going to wait till the sides start getting brown. So I turned down the heat just a tiny bit. It's at 2.5 right now. So here what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add just a tiny bit more on the top. Let that melt. So now I'm going to add the sauce. I'm going to add the meat. I'm going to add some green chili. Add some olives. So let's take a look at our pizza. And there's our beautiful pizza. And this is what the crust looks like.